Hey guys, welcome to the SAT Show. Today we're going to be talking about a company called Opendoor. So before I start getting into Opendoor, I'm going to explain a little bit about real estate first. So people actually buy and flip houses, and the way they do this is they find undervalued properties, then spend a whole bunch of money to renovate it and make it look better, and then sell it later down the line for a much higher price. So before I continue, I would greatly appreciate it if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribed, as it does help support this channel. So essentially what Opendoor does is they buy houses, renovate it, and then sell it for higher prices so they can collect some profits. Now you may be asking, how is this any different from a real estate agent, and why is this disruptive? The reason why this company is so disruptive is because of the ease of use and how fast you can actually get your house sold. So basically you can give them a value of how much you think your house is worth, and then they'll come and evaluate it, and then they'll take a convenience fee and then purchase it from you right away. So over the last 20 years, we've basically seen every type of market move to online in some sort of way. However, the real estate market is the only one that only recently started moving online, which is why companies like Opendoor are very disruptive. Some of Opendoor's biggest competitors are Zillow and Redfin. These are also two very good companies to invest in. So to invest in Opendoor, you need to buy the stock IPOB. This is actually a merger company, and it will be merging with Opendoor on December 17th. As you can see, the stock has risen up a lot lately and peaked at about $27. And they recently announced that their merger date is December 17th, so I do believe that the stock price will be running up to at least $27 over the next 2 weeks. I personally think that this stock could be a good short-term swing or a good long hold. However, I do want to warn you that SPACs do tend to sell off after a merger. I would also like to add in the fact that ARK Invest is buying this stock, and it's included in their ARKW ETF, and usually when ARK buys something, it tends to run up.